If you have water damage or are in need of fire restoration services, call All-In-One-Trinity-Restoration first. We are readily available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and are ready to restore whatever damage your home or business structure has suffered. From grease fires, flood damage, and even the worst case of mold, we'll provide state-of-the-art recovery with top-quality equipment to accelerate the restoration process. Our team has national certifications and is consistently recommended by insurance agencies. More than simply cleanup. Call today to learn more.